Hello guys, this is Yogesh. Today I am going to talk about the air pressure and airflow direction to keep in mind before starting building your new PC. When I built my first PC, there were just two fans inside the cabinet. One was provided with the cabinet, which was very cheap quality, and another one was provided with the Intel processor. And using just those two fans was my first mistake while building the PC. You should always think about the airflow. In my new PC, I have total of 5 fans, including the fans attached to the liquid cooler radiator, which also works as exhaust fans, and I applied the rule of negative pressure, which means I have more exhaust fans than intake fans. This is more important because you don't want the hot air trapped inside the cabinet, which can lead to high temperature of the whole system. When the air inside the cabinet gets hot, and if there are more intake fans than exhaust fans, the hot air inside doesn't get out as rapidly as incoming air, and that's why the hot air inside gets stagnant. Another reason to go for negative pressure, that means more exhaust fan than intake fans, is that there is less dust saturation inside the cabinet, and that is good because dust slowly kills your computer. If dust particles get saturated on radiators of your CPU cooler, it may not perform as good as it's supposed to be, and it doesn't matter how costly and high-end your CPU cooler is. Next factor to consider is the direction of the airflow. The exhaust fan should always be in the position in such a way that the air goes out from the top and the rear of the cabinet, and intake should be through the bottom and front. I have intake fans at the front of the cabinet, but if you are planning to put intake fans at the bottom of the cabinet also, then make sure that your cabinet doesn't sit on a carpet or directly on the floor. If possible, keep the cabinet on the table, and if not, then make sure that it is placed at least 6 to 8 inches above the ground. That way you will decrease the chance of dust getting inside. The reason being exhaust fan should always be in the top portion of the cabinet is that the hot air is lighter than the cold air and it rises to the top, and if the fans are there to push the risen air out, it will be more efficient for the whole process. So that concludes this video. I hope you got something important from this video. If so, don't forget to hit that like button and share the video and subscribe to my channel. If not, go ahead and dislike the video and leave comments in the comments section below so that I can improve myself in the next video. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one.